My country people, I greet you now. We don't see Gidigba. On top the government matter, the Ubonge program where they open the highway, on top all the matter, the one we consign everybody with the Edo State. As I know say time don't reach to they put people for office. When we say they will come, they look on the matter, the one we say will make our life good and it will day easy. Now it make us standard Gidigba. Put Ubonge person will be member of Edo State House of Assembly, Honorable Osai Gogo Tony. Oga, I greet you.
Commissioner of Pidgin English, I greet you.
And not be saying Indian standard Gidigba put as member of Edo State House of Assembly. He does still go school, go read on top the one way they call engineering. He an engineer, if he get that one for hand. And he graduate from the university will be saying, I see our state here. Now in that one they done at Ambrose Ali University. Oga Tony, before I begin to tell people, I want me to use your mouth, explain give people for us. Shekele to about who Osai Gogo Tony will be for the state.
People know good morning. As my sister don't talk, I just know my name now Saibo where you are. I be the new boy. The top Bini Pikin. I go primary school for Bakenzo for Bini here. From there I go to school they call Immaculate Conception College ICC. From there I can go Edo State University. Now they call at that time, but now I'm listening at Mutually University with the name. My first degree in mechanical engineering. And now I get master's degree from University of Benin for industrial engineering. I remember first time member of Edo State House of Assembly 3.5 years ago. That is 2015. I will enter and I may be the chief whip of the house.
Now the Tori Shekele one now I don't hear so. Before we enter the program matter where my name na Nimat Shabini. You talk and say for Edo State House of Assembly where you don't be there for 3 years plus now. Now you be the chief whip. That position where you sit down on top. What be the things where you supposed to do as the chief whip of the House of Assembly?
Many people now, if you go dictionary now, whip, then they call them whip, now whip be Koboko. You know, I'm supposed to the older Koboko for House of Assembly. Anybody where they want to come up for line, they say, hey, I'm sure that they don't come this side. I'm sure that they don't come this side. So, now me they in charge of discipline for the House of Assembly. You know, say House of Assembly, place when they say many things they happen. So anytime when you say things good for them, you will not say they do well. Anytime when they hear something that they happen there, you will not say, ah, chief what they happen for here. So now me they hold all the rules and regulation of the house. Anybody when they say won't go this side, then I say no, not be so book talk. Now here that's how we're supposed to be pass on. When we don't talk now, sometimes when they say people temper don't they go up, now me they shout say, hey, order, everybody, bring your temper down. So that's what we do for House of Assembly. Not be only for the all of us will be honorable, even for the staff too. You know, sometimes some staff now when they say the time when they're supposed to take come work, we don't look say I know they now mean they report everything to say this person don't carry head, go chest somehow. So make it be say I mean they call them. They tell them say no, not be so they work for here. This place now where honorable members there. You are supposed to come to work at the time where you're supposed to take clothes, you must be at your desk. So now you say I'm sure there.
You know say to the flock begin to the tell and say sit down for here, stand for here. No be everything they go well. Wetin be the challenges? We say when they tell people now here you supposed to now here you not supposed to down. Wetin be the things where you don't face when you do all this work?
You know say when you reach office now, me now only 3.5 years I don't do there. You see some people now we don't do for 12 years. You say this small picking now come to tell me how many times you go carry enemy for the team. Most times now your ability to come out as my work with this. Not be say I not hate you. Now make me the blonde. Don't look at CB for book. Everything we get book then and we write all the law. Since when we start the House of Assembly, people there when they be say this position. Me now, in another 4 months, I don't come up for there, I know there, another person I go take the work. So but the law they know they change. So a lot of people, many people don't go like what they do. You get sometimes now when they say, you know say our workers, sometimes many of them then they do something during the work where they do. Maybe work where they're supposed to resume 8 o'clock, now they will resume 10 o'clock sometimes. So when you talk to those kind of people, they call it get time that they do it before. They say no, if you do it before, you know me saying that the right thing. So but now when I dey here, you know if you do it like this. So those kind of people, see some of them go vex. But the one when they be say no, say now be here I go collect my chop money. Now waiting assigned to work with this. Some of them they go come up for that way. Get the way you tell talk to them too. You have to be matured about it because nobody is not picking. The work will be there constantly. If we don't come out, people will see they do the work. So our honor to keep the institution, make it be say it go day the way where people would like to come.
As you don't explain all this one we do, we will go back to wetin they call beginning. As you talk you first get your first degree in mechanical engineering. From there you still read ogbonge book, you knack another one, industrial engineering. Wetin come make you throw away body for politics?
Before I come into politics, I think say get wetin go dey there when e be say people don't use it, they come people say they mad. Don't say make I reach there go check am. Because especially when e be say you are in there yesterday, you go hear say e don become one thing inside politics. The next thing go start to dey raise shoulder. Normal place where you go before, you not go dey go again. If you dey go there, you go park mopo for everybody. You see as I come here now, I no get one mopo. Na mopo dey house. If you not do bad thing, wetin you go dey fear again? Now all these people, now all of us for this Benin, we grow up together. Why I come say now when I want to go see my people, I could carry police and carry boys for everybody. So at one time I come look say, even like say get wetin dey cause madness for this place. Make I go enter whether make I see whether I go mad. But at least today, as you see me for here now, you see say I no need psychiatric doctor. I go still work out my own worker, come out, go sit down with my people, the way I sit down with them before. So now waiting I say make I go check inside. But when I also know say, you get so many times, you take our people now when you return and say go vote, they go say they no go vote. So now, if you not vote, you not get right to complain say government no good. So now those kind of things now you push me say, I go just complain. One day, one of these people who enter this government now, you go tell us say 2 o'clock in the afternoon, all of us go sleep. True, we go sleep, we come out for market, our children will come out for school. Now where government we don't go. We thank God say God come bring our Papa Adam Soshomole. When he be say come correct many of these things, so it come make us know say government not to work for the people. Now service they give you. No, 4 years not complete. If you not do well, if you go back, they go tell you say no, they don't want you. People that also Soshomole do road, you do school. That one not be the best thing when we see what Soshomole do. The greatest gift what Soshomole give this state. He look everybody, he can see he go choose the person who qualified pass, we go help our people. So the best achievement for my eye. Now this governor will give us, or Obaseki. When he be say, you see how the man know they talk. But all the work we need to do, they talk for him. You don't need to come out and shout, say, this right. Today you will go sleep. Tomorrow morning you go see say quota on the front of your house. I will not believe so this kind of thing possible before for the state. They say the state not get money. Now civil service state. So which money this man can sit and do all this thing? So now those kind of people now we want to make God the help us with what I do. Make it they put for government. Because our papa and our mama, they not also make government can put meat for their soup. Now make them give us water, make them give us hospital, health center, make them give us road, make them give us light. Now what do they expect from government? If they feed one and then their children get work, our parents no get problem. Our people no get problem. Now those small things that they ask for government.
So far so good. As you don't come up for the world where they wear boots, they wear helmets, they work out for road, go they use flyer, they check something. Now you don't enter politics. What will be your experience for political environments?
A big question now. If I tell you what we will see. But we know why we see them like this. The only reason why we see them is saying our work. We're not there. So many people they expect so much from politicians, even more than the normal. Somebody like me now. The ordinary law now supposed to make. But they will expect you to bring road, bring this one, bring that. So you come and say you do under so much pressure. But the truth be say, we as legislators, now small thing, now we do now relationship, our ability to say we will fit, negotiate, get good relationship with those people where they power, like governor. Now they bring something come with our people. That's why they call constituency project, this one, that one, that one. Like, that's one are small things of it about people. That's why everybody come here, come tell you say, now so you do this. As you they enter government, the governor or the president, he get they down for there. Now everything what they call token. Now small benefit. If they there, they go write you say write how many waiting where you need to your people need. You know go carry and go put for your house because your people they say make you give. Once you write and come out, government go do one. Like the one where they federal now, where I want to go for so. Now, Buhari they do all. Like anybody not deceive you say, hey, don't. You remember, say for this country, Obasanjo one time he only got state money for over how many years? He not give them because they come from different party. That time Lagos na AC went in with the governor. That PDP be federal government. He not give them their money for how many years? But Buhari where they talk since when they come that time they say one can Islamize Nigeria. He don't do 3.5 years now. He no Islamize anybody. Since when they did them now, Fayose dey cause am, they do everything. He not since Lagos State money.
Ma break you for that place. On top President Muhammadu Buhari, so far so good. The 3 years plus where you don't use for government, how you feel rating achievements? What you say you don't do for people in the country?
Man, they try. Person will not plant for January. Make him know say he not go harvest for October. The problem with this country, not the one day they create them. This man not go finish in 3.5 years. That not the matter with them. But we know see now, the man don't try say we can make sure that this our country we are over 200 million people. We know they produce anything. We not even feed our if we feed ourselves for this country, our problem does solve. We not fit produce food for 200 million people to feed. Meanwhile, countries when you say they get only about 3 million, 15 million, then they fit produce something. We know they produce as we get wood rich for bush, we can never produce toothpick. Now this country alone, we carry crude oil, carry and go outside. We go refine and carry and come back. The same thing where we want use. Now those things Buhari they try to do what they do with agriculture. Many of the rice we chop this Christmas. Now Nigeria rice. You get what they call lake rice. So I'm telling you, what in Lagos, you know what in Lagos they do. Because they don't get land again. Lagos now they buy land from Ogun. They go buy land for Kebbi to go produce rice. If they carry that rice go Lagos, it go come at half price where their people go chop. We know the plans where our government gets for them, where our government get to. So Muhammadu Buhari, the man, if you ask me, he dey try. But the problem where we get for this country today, when you know go, when many people don't see, you get one movie where they show for television that time around 7 in the evening, the rich also cry. And what did they happen for this country now? Before now, only poor man they cry. But since when Muhammadu Buhari enter, he don't block all the tap where our rich people for the collect their change before there are many money. As he lock them, now they come and shout. Now say they won't come use us, poor people, take shout. So that everybody will shout. Now what did they happen for this country? This is the only country for the whole world when they say the private jet where individual get, the many pass the commercial jet where all countries take the fly. Where that kind of thing for the happen? So consume, we know they produce 200 million people.
When we enter your election matter, the one we go. Before you say you come out, say you won't go represent the people of Red Federal Constituency for House Day. Time we don't do Edo State House Assembly. How many bills you don't move for the people we represent for your constituency? And how many of these bills don't work for them?
So many of these are our assembly. If they record, if you go check them now, we don't move bills pass. Since when this assembly started? I think 1979. This is under the 6th assembly. Among the bills when we say we don't co-sponsor, the CDA bill, the child rights bill, the bill against prostitution. We don't do that one too. We don't also bring many matters when we say they affect our people come the floor of the house. So some they call matter for their public importance. And we say if you not quick attend to them now, it will cause big yawa for both our constituency and our state. And you know easy since for many of the bills you see and say many people will fight them. We do the anti-cultism bill the other day because they don't. Many of our brothers and sisters they don't kill for this state for no reason. Say because brother one match one leg or one use motor to pour poto for the other one body. Before you know what they happen, you don't hear say they don't count as if na football match they play 1-0, 1-1, 2-1. So we can't talk say all these things. Now something we don't kill our people. We not go make it continue. Because you know me say because they never kill your brother, you know go feel for the people when they don't kill. Now our people. Now then all of them ain't got a vote for us to go represent them. And we want to thank God and we want to use this place to thank the Oba of Benin and our governor. My God bring two of them together at the same time. So see many of the decisions we take normally get big men ready to fight them. But the Oba and the governor, the two of them, they carry red eye follow all this bad thing. So no chance for all those. So we're happy. So whenever they bring any matter come like that, we'll come discuss them for House of Assembly. Normally people will do when they say no, this one too harsh, that one too harsh. But I believe say once people gather, say come come go represent us for government, na them, na we go serve. Now waiting go good for them. Some of them feel now agree say today this thing fit no good for them, but we know say if you look at in how many years to come, now waiting will benefit all of us more. So that's why we say when we did look all this, we will use our third eye. Look at where we will carry and go out study. All of us will still hold meeting on top and again. Say now this one will better pass for all of us.
On top of all these bills, get some of the bills where we say you talk anti-prostitution bill, anti-cultism bill. Now, what will be the response of the people within the state on top this one when they run for House of Rep? How they take feel on top the bills where you don't push? Can't take everybody put for you.
So we go when immediately they pass at the time now maybe the chairman of the House Information Committee. So our people generally they're very, very happy. Because if it never happened to your family member, it could not happen to your friend. If it never happened to your friend, it could not happen for your street. So the people, they're happy well. So now make the implementation start, because all of us know say most times, many of this will be, they don't do in one form or the other before. But where would they always get problem now when it comes to time for that implementation? And we know say with this our Oba, so Monoba Nedo, Oba Eweri II, and our governor, we can see Governor Obaseki. No place when we say this LGBT, these bad people, they cannot survive in this our state again.
We for T-Live Media, we follow Governor Godwin Obaseki. We follow and work out with you when they do your flag of campaign for Red from Ward 1 to Ward 2.
I see that there. And
we see the Chori body puts of the governor. How if you talk about the readiness of the people to come take press hand for APC candidates there?
We not like better thing. You see the day when he come out. When he come out, everybody they follow him. You know say the man know they talk. It be like masquerade, they know they quick see him. If you see him, you know say this one a big thing until they happen for the town. They know they say that for afternoon. When the man come out, I say they tell the people say, this one where they here, now man, if you vote for and me you vote for. Because all these things when I go and say they shout, say I be wake and say they do this one, they do this one, I never say anything though, because I don't get people for Abuja where they support me. Before I go get Benin Abraka Road, I get to go meet senator where come from Mauchi side. Meanwhile, we get senator where come from Benin. If they go meet him, because you don't want to make the governor perform, so that the party go come win governor, he go stop and he go say no, may they not do the road. They go use everything because the House of Rep will get there not be old. Anything when the man will take shine, they go one block him. The man use the mouth to talk and now they say, if these people go there, they go represent him well. This thing when I don't do, so if I don't do 1 and 10, I go see when these people reach there. Because they go help him, they talk to Buhari. Make it happen. I go talk that day for that work. If you remember, he say, nothing we don't go meet President Buhari for where President Buhari no approve. But not be every time now you're supposed to go there. If we did there now, say now our party now did there for the National Assembly, they go feel the send us, say go meet President Buhari, see what we want. And then we go feel explain them because we know where they think they go. But these people, they're not go fit. All they are on make them find way to take remove the man and make them come start to share our money again.
If you reach Abuja, say the press hand, now you work carriage talk.
Then go press hand.
When you reach there, what thing you want to do for the people for your states, people for your constituency? What thing be the things you want to do? And how you take feel? Say now you be the right candidate who will represent them for already Federal House of Rep.
Okay, you know the last election where we do that time. When we go that election, they tell us say Buhari want Islamize Nigeria. So they still talk say Jonathan now are picking from South. Although you not get one thing when you put for ground now we tell the say you do something for us for South. He don't go, make we leave him alone. Now so this people take come that time. We know you know how many money they share that time. You your eyes share. What people will talk for you. That's why they take to occupy those positions. Now, the support what we're supposed to get, what thing they're supposed to do for this governor, they're not going to give up. Now, struggle the man, struggle to get what they get. So, if we reach there by God's grace, anything where the governor wants, now we will put hand. The work where the governor they work, so when we they shall say now we can see. The one when he go do go multiply by 10. Because there is nothing when he go want when we not go approve for him. all na for our people, not for ourselves. If you dey do 1,001 kilometer of road today, if we reach there, the way we go take fight for am, we go fit do 2 kilometer, 3 kilometer. You know, and then coming to say, I feel whether how I take fishing and maybe the right person. Our party na be the party wey dey federal, now we dey state, now we dey local government, and now everybody when dey this party now they take charge of the party for this our state level. This is those ones wey come from Edo. Now all of them na gather together, talk say, make I be the candidate of APC today. Now I take him out as candidate. I know say they don't see something when make them. You remember say that when make them talk say, now me go come go this position. You remember when we reach some of this world that the man, governor talk say, me, now maybe the chairman of House Committee of Education for House of Assembly, that a lot of the progress we don't make for this do best, this school integration, basic education sector transformation, say now maybe the brain behind that. We know how many times we work, how many places we work out go. We can't formulate the policies when we say they run this program now. So I thank God say today, all our basic education, that is our primary school teachers for this state. It never happened for this country before. All of them today, all of them get computer. When we say every weekend they are listening notes to the land. And if you talk the time, if you are a teacher they reach school, both for Irua, for Onwa, anywhere, the time when the teacher they reach school, we efficient for our screen. For my own screen, I have my own screen as the chairman of the education committee. I can tell you the time when you say that the teacher for Yobe take clock in today for SS2, SS1, and they share from my dashboard. So those are the things we would already bring by God's grace to take make our schools better. And we didn't start because there are so we don't train over 6,000 teachers as at the last time. Now we are bringing more in. As I talk to you now, parents they remove children from private school, they come public school for Edo. So many good things they when you say we go carry by God's grace from Edo. We will go teach other people for Nigeria because only we not go feel the progress. We go drag other people for nobody for this.
Thank you very much. Say you consider with us Gidigba for here. They are not all this story. My people for house. Now here we see the story which on top the plans where Honorable Tony Osai Gogo-Iyoa we get for the people of Edo State, we be now. The plans we get for people where they already local government, already constituency, and all these ones now on top who we want put for office. How they want to Waka Gidigba put for us. They say Nigeria, we still get better plan. We still get where we want Waka go, and not this one. I say, no, we carry our hand, vote for the person who will Tanda Gidigba put for us, for we state and for we country. My name never changed. My name is Nanimat Shagumo, and on top with government matter as they be for we state. Now all this story, now we dey here now. So all these things where we talk, so they on top with social media handles. As now they watch us so more and follow them to get all these obunga information on top how it they be for we states.